A Supreme Court of India bench led by Justices D.Y. Chandrachud and M.R. Shah today reserved its orders in an appeal preferred by the Election Commission of India against certain remarks made by the Madras High Court, wherein the Madras High Court, after seeing that some of his orders were not followed regarding maintaining the COVID protocol in election rallies, etc., had commented that the Election Commission of India official should be put up for murder charge. The Election Commission of India had filed an application thereafter in the Madras High Court seeking certain directions so that the media only reports what is there in the order and not mere observations in the court. However, the Madras High Court had not entertained that application. Today, the Election Commission of India had preferred an appeal against that order of the Madras High Court and stated that though it does not want to restrain the media, but it was deeply pained by the observations made by the Madras High Court, and it was primarily the appeal was targeted towards and against the oral observations made by the Madras High Court. The Madras High Court had in fact gone on to state that Election Commission of India was singularly responsible for the spike in COVID-19 cases. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, while hearing the cases, said that such an appeal against the oral observations made by the Madras High Court was a little far-fetched. Justice M.R. Shah, in fact, asked Senior Advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, appearing for the Election Commission of India, to take the comments in the right spirit, and that often judges are stressed and frustrated because a series of their orders are not often complied with, and that such outbursts are the reactions that gets manifested in form of such oral observations. However, prima facie, the Supreme Court made it clear that it had to draft a very balancing order wherein it cannot snatch away the independence which the High Court judges and Chief Justices have in expressing themselves, and also keep in account the concerns expressed by the Election Commission of India. We have to protect the judicial sanctity of the process. We have to make sure that the High Court judges and Chief Justices are independent to make views. We have to make sure that media reports everything that happens in court so that we judges conduct proceedings with dignity. We are looking at this from a long term and impact on functioning of high courts. We don't want to demoralize our high courts. They are vital pillars of our democracy. Things are often said in an open dialogue between bar and the bench. Justice M.R. Shah, in fact, gave an example of the Gujarat fire tragedy in the COVID hospital where 18 patients died last week. He stated that there were numerous orders from the High Court and the Supreme Court where it states that COVID hospitals have to get an NOC or a fire clearance, and that such orders are not complied with. He stated that when such an devastation happens, like a death of 18 people together, then there are those times when the judges express themselves harshly, and that the Election Commission of India should take it in the right spirit. The two-judge bench has today reserved orders in this particular case and stated that the orders would be delivered as expeditiously as possible. However, the bench discussed among itself and stated that the orders are likely to be delivered this Thursday or Friday. Well, that's all from Supreme Court today. Do stay tuned with Supreme Court today tomorrow as well. And don't forget to like and share barandbench.com.